Hi, and come here again, guys. Remember the last video we did? We I showed you how to install and configure Ansible, and we did that, and we're able to ping Ansible target. Today, I'm going to show you how to be able to run playbooks using the Ansible master. So I have a playbook here that we're going to use, and this playbook we are going to be trying to install. We're going to be installing Apache and hosting a simple web page. I have a simple web page in the Ansible master there's a file, there's an HTML file in the Ansible master called index.html. If I do ls right here, if I do ls, in the home of Ansible, you will see that there's a file here. So we are going to be running this playbook to install to install Apache in the target servers. After installing Apache, we're going to copy this file from the master into a destination in the target, because when we install Apache in the target, it's going to give us this directory var www.html index.html. So we are going to be copying this file from the master, which is right here. The file is right here. We're going to be copying it from the home of Ansible in the master server. We're going to be copying it to a directory, to a location in the Ansible target server, this location. So this playbook simply install Apache and host a simple web page which is found in the master. So let's go on and do it, guys. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to copy this playbook. If you need the playbook too, guys, let me know in the comment section. I'll send it to you. We're going to go to the master and create a YAML playbook. To do that, I'm just going to name it. I'm just going to do it VI. Going to use VI. Just say HTTP install .yaml. You can spell it as YAML or just YML, but YAML. Then we are going to copy the playbook, click the insert button, paste the playbook right here, and then save it. Semicolon WQ bank. Then we save the playbook. We've already copied the playbook, and just so you know, last time we ended here, we are able to ping the Ansible target. If you do ping, you should be able to ping it. So this is the server we are installing this. We're running this configuration in. So in the master, we're going to use a command to run this playbook. The command to run a playbook, guys, is called Ansible -playbook and then the name of the playbook. So the name of our playbook was httpd install .yaml. That's the name of our playbook. If we press enter, this playbook will be executed. Now we're having an error. So it says the playbook is not found, but is that true? It might be true. Maybe we spell it wrongly. The playbook name was this. Yeah, I made a mistake. It's install. So if we click enter, the playbook is running. It has identified one server. Running, nothing failed yet. Nothing failed yet. Still running. So you can see that the playbook is completed, guys, and it shows that nothing failed. Everything went through successfully. So we'll be able to install Apache in the target server one, and we've been able to move this file, copy this file in this location, copy this file, index.html into the target server, which is this one right here. So let me see. If you go into, let's see if we can VI into the location where Apache is installed and see if we're gonna see it there. Not yet. So let's check it this way. Let's see. Let's take the public IP and check it to see if Apache is running. Go to the browser, you paste it. You see, the name is Ndakum. See, so we'll be able to run a playbook that hosted a simple web page to the target servers. So this is the simple web page, guys. If you need the playbook that I ran, you can always send me a comment. I'll I'll put it in the comment section for you. And also, guys, try to subscribe to our channel. We are going to be showing you a lot of IT projects. We are going to be doing a lot of hands-on practice with you. So support us by subscribing to the channel, guys. Share the record, the videos. Thank you.